Anyone can do this, and I mean anyone. Right, I'm going to show you how to assemble one of these. It's called an MD4B shelving unit. It's one of the most popular shelving units from BiGDUG, and it was a friend of mine that got me onto it, and I just thought it's a beautiful day. The sun's out. I've cleared out the shed. Sorry about the mess back here. And just show you how light it is, but very sturdy. I can actually lift it. So, you know, and I'm a small fella. I'm not that big, you know. As you can see, it's about 6 foot tall. Great shelves, and all you need is a mallet and a bit of common sense. It should only take about 10, maybe 15 minutes to do. I've already laid out the all the gubbins, all the bits and pieces. It comes in 2 boxes, and you got the shelving as well, which is MDF, which that's all I need for it. It's just to put my tools, boxes that I've got with tools in it, just to put it on the shelf. Can get bigger ones, but we'll go with this at the moment. Somebody said to me, how fast can you do it? And I thought, you know what, it'll take me about 10 or 15 minutes. And it did. That's exactly what it took me to do. It's simple out. It's just slotting together. These are the little legs. You get 4 of these. Bottom there's one, sort of like, it's like a keyhole shape, and it's just there. That's the bit you got to keep for the bottom of it, for the legs. I just hope now with all my talking that I'll be able to do this as quickly as I said that I could do. Just putting this together now. Now, these fellas here, look, it's very simple. They've only got like slot holes, little slots there, and you put them very simply. Make sure that you keep the shelf side, the bit that's sticking out, sort of like it's an edge thing. Keep that out, and you just slot them in like that. There you go. So that's one done. Anyone can do this, and I mean anyone. So there's 5 shelves on that. So what I'm going to be doing is there's going to be heavier boxes on the bottom and the middle, and then lighter boxes on the top. Yeah, these are the shelves. I've just put all this stuff on here at the moment, but never mind the mess. The shelves do work and they do hold. They are amazing, absolutely brilliant. Very pleased with them. Thank you, BiGDUG.